In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work Semrush in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in, beginning with the basics. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're fond of Chrome, Firefox, or any other, it doesn't matter as long as you're comfortable with the interface and it's up to date. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Semrush. Hit enter, and you should see it as one of the top search results. When you arrive at the Semrush website, the next step is to look for a button that says Try for free or Start your free trial. Click on that. This is perfect for those who are using Semrush for the first time and want to explore the tool without commitment. After this, you'll have to log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Signing up is usually straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Once you're all set up, it's time to get hands-on by creating a project for your website in Semrush. Consider this project as your command center. It helps organize your SEO data and track your site's progress systematically. A helpful tip is to connect your Google Analytics and Google Search Console accounts at this stage. This integration offers a more nuanced view of your site's performance, providing additional insights into traffic sources and search behavior patterns. Now, let's get into the heart of keyword research. With the Keyword Magic tool, you can unearth a treasure trove of relevant keywords for your niche. Enter a seed keyword to begin, and explore a rich list of suggested keywords. You can conveniently filter these by search volume, keyword difficulty, and other metrics. To expand your horizons and find potential gaps in content, use the Organic Research tool to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for. This often unveils opportunities to target keywords previously overlooked. Next, organize your keywords into clusters. Think pillar pages and subpages. This organizing boosts your topical authority visually and practically, making it easier for search engines to index your site effectively. Besides keywords, on-page SEO is crucial. Utilize the on-page SEO checker to identify any on-page issues, offering recommendations on elements such as keyword usage, title tags, and meta descriptions. Furthermore, supercharge your content creation efforts with Content AI. This tool scores your content on readability, tone, originality, plus SEO adherence, and can even help craft SEO-friendly articles based on your targeted keywords. Addressing backlinks is another priority. Uncover potentially harmful backlinks with this tool and disavow them. Equally important is building new backlinks. Compare your profile with competitors to spot new linking opportunities. Understanding your competitors' traffic and audience insights can also provide a strategic advantage. Analyze their traffic sources, top pages, and demographics, giving you a quick snapshot of their online presence. Finally, keep a vigilant eye on your keyword rankings over time. Tracking your progress is essential to iterate and refine your strategies continually. And that's the essentials of working with Semrush. I hope this guide helps you navigate and capitalize on all that Semrush has to offer for your SEO success.